So today is going to be me trying to get my ollies and kickflips and shove-its and stuff to look a lot nicer, because as I edit footage and see footage of my tricks and then doing what you shouldn't do, which is compare to others, I see that my back foot leaves when I do ollies a lot, and yesterday my kickflips just looked and felt like crap. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of ollies and kickflips today. So if you want to see a bunch of random stuff like that, maybe see me fall and get frustrated, then today is the video for you. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And next week I'm getting a new camera, so the quality might even look better than this. I've been just using my iPhone, so we'll see. I don't know. Let's go skate. So before, when I would ollie, I would kind of put my foot like on the edge of the tail here. And I think I need to put it more like in the center right here. And it'll kind of stick to my back foot more when I pop up, instead of my toe pushing off here and then my foot kind of leaving the board. So I'm going to try that. And then I'm going to try the same thing with my kickflip and see if that helps me be able to control it and catch with my back foot better, but we'll see. Okay, so moving my back foot kind of more centered in the tail instead of on the very edge has already helped a little bit. It feels a little more comfortable, but I'm going to do some ollies with that and you guys can see what it looks like, and we'll just go from there. Okay, so before I kind of put my foot on the edge over here, so my foot leaves the board a lot. And now when I put it more centered, I feel like my back foot doesn't leave it as far. What do you guys think? I can't really see it until I edit this, so. Not terrible though. Okay, so the most annoying thing is knowing what my problems are, but then not being able to fix it. So moving my foot back, just like with the ollies, more centered in the tail, definitely feels more controllable. But I either don't pop and I slide and flick too quick, or I pop but then barely slide or flick at all. So what I need to do is both and time it good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a few so you guys can see. That one wasn't bad. Like that. I popped that one, but I didn't flick. So now I'm gonna think about flicking too much. I need to pop, slide, flick. That was a rocket. I didn't even pop it. Like that. Why am I even flicking it when I'm not popping? My foot was too far back, so I threw my foot forward. What am I doing? Come on. Come on. Okay, I took a break. I was getting angry, but now I'm back. Let me see if I can do it. Like that. Come on. That was so good. How come I can't do that every time? Oh, yeah. See, I leaned forward a little bit. Almost fell off, but I got it. Whoa! Almost ate it. Whoa! Oh, geez. Oh, toe drag. Ooh, I don't even know how I landed that. I keep taking my foot off instead of sliding it and flicking it. So it just like goes like that and my board barely flicks at all. See, that's better. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna keep practicing, but I'm gonna listen to music and stuff to kind of get more calm and more focused to practice my different footing, because it's really hard to change how you do your feet and all this stuff when you've done it for so long. So listen to music, chill, do some ollies, try to keep my back foot on better, do some kickflips, all that jazz.
Is it sweet or is it dead?